Naimulabay nga mga Koreana, mga utana ko. Mga utana, excuse me sir. Namto si...
Are you addressing to
Namalagay na ba sa Facebook nga, trans woman is?
A woman.
woman? So what is your idea about
Woman na
that?
si Jang, sa may mga
Koreana man
Unsa may mga idea, will you agree or disagree?
Of course, I disagree. It's God's
Wow.
rules that you are born man and you are born woman. So you have only two gender that you can say
Male,
which
female.
one we are addressed to. So as a new generation, we are already adapting the improvements of technology. So everything is changed. So there is already a trans woman and gay, bisexual, but in a real situation, we will consider that there are only two, but in addition to that, our law in our country, we adopted the third sex, which is the
English lang pa ng timing man ng pwede. Oy, ang kulbaan mo ito kay. Di ba Bisaya? Di
We
ba
are
kagi
in the
cancer? Canada?
Unless
No, I'm just living here in the Philippines, but still I have to accept that the fact that we are adapting the international language, which is the English.
Wow.
And
Oh, I
in
love
order,
language.
we can go in different countries. So